and welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Jamie and today I'm going to give you a full walk around video on this 2017 RAV4 GXL. We'll start off at the front of the vehicle and we'll run you through the condition and also some of the features as well. Starting off at the front of the vehicle, as you can see, Toyota's gone for that lovely design that these newer style RAV4s do have. You also get these beautiful headlights that actually have the chrome garnish that actually runs into the headlight itself, and then just underneath is where you have your daytime running lights. Now just panning down real quickly, as you can see, you also get your standard fog lights fitted as well. You also get this nice plastic lip with that little matte chrome finish down the bottom of it as well that really sets off the front of the vehicle. Now this vehicle, for the age, there are no major marks on the front of the car that are worth pointing out. We'll come around and we'll look at our first wheel. Nice design wheel that Toyota's gone with as well. So the piano black with the polished chrome finish. And as you can see, these wheels are actually in really good condition. Does look like an unmarked alloy wheel from what I can see here. Tread on the tyres, you still got plenty life left in those tyres as well. Do also get color-coded exterior mirrors and door handles. Now with the mirrors themselves, they do actually have the indicator integrated into the mirror, and most manufacturers are going this way these days just to clean up the side panels. You can also see that you have the black plastic down underneath the mirror itself as well, and that just contrasts as well, especially with, really nice with this really dark blue paint. As you can see at the moment, the car is actually locked, but to actually lock the car with the keys in your pocket, just hold it down here and the car is actually locked now. But putting my hand straight back in, we actually unlock the car again and we can take a look inside the vehicle. Now, as I mentioned before, it is a 2017, but I just want to show you how good the driver's compartment actually represents. The chair itself, or the seat itself, is in fantastic condition. The carpet still looks like it's brand new. There's no major scratchings on the paint here itself or on the trim. And where we get lazy and kick over the doors, it doesn't look like this car has had that whatsoever. So really good job by the previous owner maintaining the driver's compartment. Working our way down the vehicle now, you also see that you get the black plastic trim down the bottom as well. And as you can see, these two doors are in really good condition as well. Coming to the second alloy wheel now, as you can see, this one looks like another unmarked alloy wheel with a really good tread on that tyre as well. So two really good tyres on the driver's side of the vehicle. We'll come around to the back of the car now. Now, in my opinion, this is the best looking part on the actual car itself. You do get color-coded reverse parking sensors. You also get all your chrome badging. As you can see, those nice stylish tail lights that actually wrap into the side of the body just gives it a really nice look. Do get the high mount stop light on this little roof spoiler, and you also get the rear windscreen wiper as well. Now taking a look inside the back of the tailgate, as you can see, do also get the little cargo net with the actual cargo blind as well, and you also get all your genuine floor mats and the rubber floor mat in the back as well, which is a great idea. So the previous owner's done a great job of maintaining the actual condition of the car, and as you can see, there is a space saver spare wheel in the back of the vehicle as well that's never been used, which is always a good sign. We'll close that up and we'll keep working our way down to the passenger side of the vehicle now, where, as you will see, fuel door is on the passenger side, so that is the safe side. And the first thing you can notice, especially when this car is in the sunlight, is actually just the quality and how well the paint actually looks, especially with that nice sparkle in it as well. As you can see, third alloy wheel, looks like another unmarked alloy wheel with, again, a really good tyre. So as you can see, the consistency going round and round, guys. The paintwork on these two doors, if I'm being super picky for you, there's a minor scratch on the door itself here. But other than that, this side of the vehicle presents really well. Coming to that fourth and final wheel now, again, another unmarked alloy wheel with a really good tyre. So as you can see, guys, the exterior condition of this car really shows you testament to the previous owner that they did really care about this car and took the time and the effort to put money and take care of the car. Alright guys, now taking a look underneath the bonnet. So what we have here is a 2.5 four-cylinder petrol engine. This engine produces 125 kilowatts and also 233 newton meters of torque. You do get a 6-speed sports automatic gearbox in the vehicle. You also get a 60-litre capacity tank that you can run a 91 or above, or even E10 for that matter as well. And the good thing about this car and the attraction of this car is actually the fuel consumption. 8.5 litres to the 100k, so out of a 60-litre tank, on average, you're going to get around 706 kilometres. Guys, now taking a look inside the RAV4, and again, just keep your eye on how well it presents inside this vehicle. Starting off with the driver's side door, you have all your power window controls. You also have the driver's window, which is automatic, and that's up and down. All your central locking, and then a button also to lock the windows as well. Now, behind the steering wheel, you do have all your mirror controls. Now, there is also a button here that you can fold in the mirrors, so if you are parking on the side of the road and you don't want to get your mirrors taken off, you can fold them in. Also have your engine start stop button. So because this car does have a proximity key, as long as the key's in the car, putting your foot on the brake and pressing that button, you will start the car. You also have your downhill ascent control. So that is just going to be like a cruise control going downhill, so you don't keep speeding up, it just maintains the same speed. On your right hand stalk you have your indicators, your fog lights, and also your headlights that are actually auto. On the left hand stalk you have your front and rear windscreen wipers, and they're also auto as well. Now on the steering wheel itself, really nice leather wrap steering wheel. On the right hand side you have all your settings just to flick through the main screen in the actual center cluster. Left hand side you have all your media controls, and then again Toyota always keep the same thing, the cruise control on the same bit of the steering wheel, which is just behind here and easy to set. Now moving into the main entertainment system, as you can see just the top of it, you do have your traction control button, also a light to let you know who's not wearing their seatbelt, when the car is actually locked, the time. Also the little car here symbol has a little symbol that when you get too close to something when you're reversing, actually lights up. And then into the main entertainment system itself, as you can see there is a nice touchscreen display. It does have AM, FM radio, USB and AUX. Also has Bluetooth as I mentioned before as well. Putting the car into reverse real quick, just show you the really nice reverse camera that it comes with as well. And then down below is where you have all your climate control settings. So it is dual zone climate control, so you can have two different temperatures for the driver and the passenger. And as you can see, you do get a nice little screen down there as well to show you exactly what the temperature is. Now there is a nice premium leather actually on the actual dash itself, which just really sets off the look of the car. Just down below you have your 12-volt socket. You also have your USB and AUX. And then you have two little modes here. So eco mode, which is going to put you in the most fuel efficient mode possible, but you're going to lose power. And then sport mode, which is pretty much going to do the opposite. Also another 12-volt socket down here. You get a little bit of storage, a little bit more storage here that warns you that it's not a cup holder, but then you do get a cup holder which is in front of the gearbox. Also your center diff lock is just over here. So this car being all-wheel drive, if you want to go to constant all-wheel drive, just click that button here. And then you have your automatic gearbox. Now as I mentioned before, it is a sports automatic, so you can drive it as a normal automatic, or you can put it across to what they call the sport shift, and then you can actually shift through the gears manually. You do get another cup holder back here, two keys with the car as well. As you can see, this key is not even out of its packet yet, so pretty much a brand new key. You get the manual handbrake, nice leather wrapped armrest which is actually really soft, and then in the actual armrest itself there are two different compartments. So as you can see, you do get a little nice tray here where you probably put your wallet or something like that. And then in the actual second bit of the, if I can get it open, there we are, second bit of the compartment, you get a bit more storage in the actual center console itself. Now I'm just going to get the camera person to pan around the interior. Two things I want to note, it's the kilometers, 22,500 kilometers on a 2017 vehicle. Also is just the condition of the car as well. The inside of the car still presents, and I'm happy to say this, almost like showroom condition. So what we'll do now that we're finished panning around the interior, we'll jump outside the car and we'll wrap up the video. That's giving you a really good representation of not only the condition but also some of the features as well. Now a couple of things I'd like to talk to you about just before we wrap up the video is I would highly advise that you do talk to us and take advantage of the glass coat that we do offer here. So it is actually going to give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork of the vehicle. Another thing I'd like to talk to you about is our premium mechanical protection plan. So it is going to give you an additional 5 years up to 200,000 kilometers of mechanical and electric protection, 10 years of premium roadside assist with 250 kilometers of free towing, and also unlimited claims up to $3,600 per claim. Now of course they are an additional cost, but if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mari, our business managers, will actually show you how minimal it will affect the payments once you add these added features in. And the last thing before I go, with a 4.8 star rating on Google, with over 960 reviews from Australia-wide customers, not only can you be assured you're buying a fantastic vehicle, but you're also dealing with the right dealership and the right quality of people to deal with as well. Again, number to call, 99070555. My name is Jamie and thank you for watching.